Let's see how to run a project in InteliJ. So let's open our InteliJ IDE, go to new project here, and then we can choose Java project and which SDK do we want to use. If you have many, I have many, so I'll just go with 17, the latest. I don't want to use any of these Groovy or Kotlin, so let's proceed with just core Java. And then we can give our project a name up here. Let's also first of all select where we want to save this project in our folder in our directories. I'll put it right in my project files, and then I'll give it a name, hello world, and proceed. And then now it's set up. So InteliJ has set up our project. As you can see, we have this folder called source folder, under it with the folder hello world, and then we can open the main class that it has created for us, and there you go. Your project is set up.